May head ka.
I had
Like, a pronunciation, ito hindi in-emphasize. Yung main verb yung in-emphasize. So, I had head. Ito may isa, ito mga ba? I had head a cell phone before I sold it. Okay, bago mo siya binenta, anong naunang pangyayari? I had a cell phone for, let's say, for 2 years. Okay? Possession ulit siya. So, hindi pwede gamitan ng ing. Okay? And then, this is the earlier action.
Harding. Harding. Harding.
Yeah, so I had a cell phone for 2 years kasi ito ang naunang pangyayari. Earlier action, nauna siya pangyayari, nasa itong cellphone na to for 2 years bago mo siya binenta. Naintindihan? Ito ang naunang pangyayari. Okay? Yun ang gamit ni past perfect. Ginagamit siya para i-emphasize kung ano ang naunang nangyari. Anyway, pareho naman silang nangyari in the past. Diba? Kaso, ito past na ito kasi naibenta mo ng cellphone eh. Kaya gusto mong sabihin na nasa akin yung for 2 years bago mo binenta. So, I had it for 2 years before I sold it. Now, unang pangyari is, gamit ko siya for 2 years. Naintindihan?
In that case, which one is the function word?
Main verb. Ito. Pangalawa lagi. Kasi, ang format natin laging may head eh. Yeah, ito yung helping verb. Yan, or helping verb. Ito yung main verb natin. Kasi laging laging may head. And then past participle.
Ano first one?
Ha?
The first one I'm thinking.
The first one, yeah, is the helping verb. And the main verb. So, laging may head, tapos gagamit ka ng past participle verb. Okay, yun ang gamit niya. Same as this, laging may F, S, bago past participle.
Past present participle.
Past perfect.
Past perfect participle. That's the formula.
Yes. Okay, so, ang format natin, whether singular or plural, it doesn't matter. Okay, as long as meron tayong subject, kasi I, and then laging may head, and then past participle of the verb. Okay?
Yeah.
So, yun lagi. Laging may head. Whether singular or plural man yan, head pa rin ang gagamitin, then past participle of the verb. Okay, then the negative form is hadn't. Kasi,
I had.
hadn't eaten. And then the question form, simula sa had,
Had she
yeah,
eaten?
eaten. So, laging past participle. Okay, so laging head. Okay, yun yung format natin, ha? So, kapag una siya pangyayari, alright? So, ginagamitan siya ng, earlier action, and then, pwede kang gumamit ng duration, basta completed,
Sentence.
completed action. Ayan, yung gamit niya. Yun, parang din, present perfect simple. Naalala yung present perfect simple, di ba? Ginagamit siya for how many times, and how much. So, yun, kaya nakalagay ito several times, how many times, di ba?
There's
So, pwede
difference
din siya.
only between present perfect tense.
That's right.
The word eaten, we cannot declare it as past tense.
Sorry.
The word eaten, we cannot declare it as past tense. The past participle. What's the difference between the past participle and past tense?
Ito sabi ko, pagka past tense, I ate yesterday.
I have eaten.
Ang inaano mo lang is It's not remember na.
You're always
Ayan,
saying
sa
apple.
apples, ha?
You're always saying apple.
So for you not to remember, kaya I always use the same verb para you can remember that. Kaya nga, I study, I am studying, I was studying, I studied. Diba? Ay, ganun. Then, how much?
20.
Okay. So again, kapag sinabi mo, I study, ano sa ibig sabihin?
Tapos, I study.
I study.
I study. Present.
Yeah, ito yung kailan siya nangyayari. Pag sinabi mo, I study. I study. Kung kailan siya nangyayari. Kailan? Kailan muna na present tense. Sabi siya.
Present. Present.
Kailan?
I
When?
study last month. Today. Today.
Who died?
I study English proficiency yes now. I study English proficiency.
Until now?
Tense. Yung kailan? Hindi, I study lang. I study, I work. I talk
study
to you.
at
I always see you.
I study at PCST.
They're just giving the time.
I
We
study
should proceed to
PCST.
discussing the past perfect.